want a treat? There you go. Okay, sit down, sit down, sit down. What do you do with the bell? Look at the bell. That's right, Winston, you hit the bell. And then Mommy takes you out, go poo-poo. Hit the bell. Come on. Good boy, Winston, good boy. Let's go outside. We'll go outside. Mommy take you out, go pee then, okay? You want to hit the bell one more time? Hit it one more time. Hit it. Hit the bell one more time. Come on. You did such a good boy. You're so smart for 14 weeks old. Let's go. Let's go, baby boy. Mommy's going to take you out, go pee. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, darling. Come on. We can go. Come on, baby. Come this way. Never mind the leaf. Winston? Or was that a grasshopper? Ew. No, come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go pee. Come on, Winston. Never mind the grasshopper. You can't eat them grasshoppers. Get out of here, grasshopper. No, Winston. No, go that way. Go pee. Go pee. Come on. Let's go. You cannot eat grasshoppers. Come on. There. See, that's why you get a treat. You can't eat grasshoppers. They will make you sick. You hear me? Okay? Good boy, Winston. Good boy.